방탄소년단이 진격하면 어떨까?
Hello ARMYMOOs, Mamamoo Bangtan back with another video. For this video, we will be reacting to V, Rainy Days on Npop. Is there gonna be some rain on that stage? Along with some Tae. Whenever I listen to this song, it just makes me feel so relaxed. Listen to it on a rainy day because Taehyung's voice will calm you down from all that stress and rain. Let's watch V, Rainy Days on Npop right now. Whoa! He's at a desk? This is so detailed, the stage setup. With the rain on the screens. This is kind of similar to the music video. He's in the middle of making music. Ooh, I love the beanie!
Rainy days, I'm thinking about what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days like rainy days.
Yeah, look at the rain! The raindrop!
Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days like staring at my phone engage, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일에 맨날 time with you was
hair is like
so
slicked back into that beanie.
진짜 still the same.
Nope, he has not changed at all.
Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah. Rainy days, I'm thinking about what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days like.
Ooh, I like this! He's just sitting there in his desk chair. So peacefully. There's no choreo. This performance is focused only on his vocals. And acting, because his expressions are just on point. Those vocals of his, they are echoing into my ears. I can't get enough of it. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. He's always thinking about you on a rainy day. So if it rains, we are in his thoughts. When he sings, it is soft like the raindrops falling down on a window. 'Cause you know, sometimes when you listen to the rain, it does calm you down in some way. And that's how I feel about Taehyung's voice while singing Rainy Days. His voice is like the soft rain on a rainy day. Like kind of like the rainforest rain when it hits the leaves. Like it's kind of like that. It makes me feel so relaxed. And let me just talk about his outfit right now. His hair is just slicked back into that beanie. The white beanie with the white hoodie. Everything is white, and like, it looks so attractive. Taehyung doesn't wear beanies very often. Well, he has been since it's the winter. Usually he just wears like baseball caps. But when he wears a beanie, it just looks so cozy. It's different every time. That's the only thing that changes. Him as a person has never changed. Always still the same me. Stating facts. Let's continue.
Find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. Oh, rainy days like.
Oh, he took it off! I'll put the hoodie on. Oh, because it's raining, see? He doesn't want to get rained on.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말 할 자격 없어도 Let me make you fall all the time you lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. 너는 나의 nail clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you.
I miss you.
Days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. A rainy day's like I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. A rainy day's like
the rain sounds. Yep, he's texting me right now. He misses me. Let's go! Yeah, he's just sitting there. Love it! See, similar to the song, it's just so calm and chill. Rainy days with Tae. Think of it as a good thing. When it rains, always think about Tae. Rain isn't always bad. It can be good. And this song will make you feel better on a rainy day. That's it! Thank you so much for watching ARMYs and Taehyung stans. This was the Rainy Days on Npop. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Bye.